How to fix there was a problem resetting your PC error in Windows 10. Here are some tips that would help you fix there was a problem resetting your PC error in Windows 10. 1. Run the system file checker, aka the sfc/scanno command, as admin. 2. Return to a stable system with a system restore point. 3. Run the following commands as admin: reagent/disable reagent/enable 4. Run the following commands as admin: cd%winder%\system32\config ren system.001. Ren software.001. Exit 5. Run the startup repair.